This budget lavalier mic will improve the audio on your phone, your camera, or your computer. This is my full review of the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. This is an audio sample of the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier mic connected to my Canon M50 camera. This video is not sponsored. I bought the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone because I wanted to level up the audio quality in my videos. The price is usually way below $20, and there's a link to it in the video description below. The clip comes in the box and you can use it to attach the microphone to your clothes or to anything else for that matter. In this example, I've attached it to a mic stand. The microphone will pick up sound from all directions around it. That is, it is an omnidirectional microphone. BOYA actually recommends that you attach it facing downwards. In this sample, I have mounted the microphone pointing down. The microphone has a 3.5mm connector, and that means that you can connect this microphone to almost anything. When the switch is in the smartphone mode, the microphone will work with the headset jacks that you might find in your laptop or on your smartphone. This is an audio sample of the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier mic recorded with my iPhone. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my iPhone. And if your smartphone does not have a headset jack, you can use an adapter. For example, this USB-C to headset adapter. In the audio samples that you hear in this review, the only post-processing I've done is to make sure that the volume is about the same between the different devices that I've used to record the clips. When the switch is in the camera mode, it will work as a traditional microphone. That means that you can connect it to a desktop, a digital camera, or to a camcorder. This is an audio sample of the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier mic connected to my Canon M50. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. In this sample, I have mounted the microphone pointing up. This is an audio sample of the onboard microphone on my Canon M50. In the box, you also get one of these 3.5mm to 6.3mm converters, which means that you can connect it to a professional mixing desk or other professional gear. The box also comes with a battery, and the battery life has been rated at 700 hours. Here are my pros and cons for the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. The pros are that the sound quality is really good considering the price of the microphone. The cable is also very long. It is in fact 6 meters or 20 feet long. I also like the pouch that comes in the box. Now, usually I'm not a big fan of these pouches that come with products like this, but in this case, because the cable is so long, the pouch actually really helps in keeping it all in one place. As for the cons, I do notice that the cable gets tangled quite easily, and one way to improve this product would be to have a tangle-free style of cable. Another con with this type of microphone is that it will pick up a lot of echo if you have echo in your room, especially if you have many parallel hard surfaces like I have here in my space. That echo can be significant. You can reduce echo by using carpets or curtains or furniture in your space. Or you can just place a blanket or a pillow in front of you when you're recording. The more soft surfaces you can have around you, the better. And the best place to record audio could actually be your closet. Overall, and given the price, I highly recommend the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier mic. It's a great way to level up your audio. Learn more about availability and pricing with the link in the video description below. For more audio samples of the BOYA BY-M1, click or tap the screen right here. In that video, I compare different methods of removing massive background noise from your recording. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.